Hello everyone and welcome back to Bank Bazaar. Today we are diving into some significant changes announced by major banks regarding their credit card rules. Whether you hold an ICICI, HDFC, IDFC or Citibank credit card, these updates are very crucial for you. Let's get started. First, ICICI Bank has announced a series of revision to their credit card services effective from 1st July 2024. Here's a quick rundown of what's changing. Number 1. Card replacement fee will be increased from Rs 100 to 200 on all cards except for the Emerald Private Metal credit card. Number 2. The check cash pickup fee of Rs 100 per pickup will be discontinued from now on. A fee of Rs 100 per charge slip request will no longer be charged. The dial a draft transaction fee, which was 3% of the draft value with a minimum of Rs 300, will be discontinued. Number 5. Outstation check processing fee, which was 1% of the check value with a minimum of Rs 100, will now be discontinued. Number 6. The fee for duplicate statement requests beyond 3 months, previously Rs 100, will be discontinued. Now let's talk about Citibank. With the acquisition by Axis Bank, all Citibank credit card relationships are being migrated. Here's what you need to know. The migration of all Citibank credit card accounts to Axis Bank will be completed by July 15, 2024. Citibank branded cards will continue to work seamlessly until you receive your new Axis Bank cards by the end of the year. Points accumulated till their migration date will never expire, but the points earned post-migration will expire after 3 years. Now let's see what are the changes made in HDFC Bank credit card. HDFC Bank has also announced several key changes to their credit card terms effective 1st August 2024. Let's take a closer look. Number 1. A 1% charge will apply for using third-party payment apps for rental and educational transactions, capped at Rs 3,000 per transaction. Number 2. For utility transaction above Rs 50,000, a 1% charge will be applied, capped at Rs 3,000 per transaction. Number 3. Fuel transaction above Rs 50,000 will incur a 1% charge, also capped at Rs 3,000. Number 4. Redeeming reward points for a statement credit will now incur a fee of Rs 50. Number 5. Annual and renewal fees for 6 e-reward cards are being increased. Number 6. Opting for the easy EMI option will now have an EMI processing fee of up to Rs 299. Number 7. Late payment fees will now range from Rs 100 to Rs 1300 depending on the outstanding amount. Number 8. A 3.5% markup fee for international transactions will apply with lower rate for premium cards. Number 9. Finance charges for revolving credit will be 3.75% per month from the transaction date until the balance is paid in full. Lastly, IDFC First Bank has also announced changes to their credit card payment terms effective September 2024. Here are the details. The minimum amount due payment percentage will drop from 5% to 2%, giving cardholders more financial flexibility. The payment due date will now be 15 days from the statement generation date, reduced from the previous 18 days. These changes are designed to provide more convenience and flexibility for IDFC credit card holders. That's all for today's update on latest credit card rule changes from ICICI, HDFC, IDFC First and Citibank credit cards. Make sure to review these changes and manage your finances accordingly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more financial updates. Thank you so much for watching.